So is there really a difference in the quality of products? After all, a lot of our potential customers say, I'm getting 3 to 5 bids and I'm just trying to learn about landscape lighting. We want to provide you all the resources so you can see product costs and different qualities of products, but there is a vast difference in product quality. Someone could look online and find a light fixture for as low as $20 to $30, and they could look and find a similar looking fixture for $300 to $500. We created Sterling Lighting because I didn't like the quality of the products out there. Products that are designed or should be designed to last a lifetime. So we focus on a number of things. First of all, we made a serviceable integrated light. Fixtures such as this light here is not an integrated light, and it just has a lot of maintenance down the road and a lot of replacements. Our luminaires are all integrated, which means it gets proper heat dissipation, and they're also serviceable. The other thing we looked at was light quality. We wanted to make certain as a lighting designer that had to be spot on. All of our lights are 97 to 99 CRI, where the industry average is as low as 80 to 84. That may be a foreign language to you, but what that means is you're seeing more of the colors. Under noonday sun, there's 100 colors visible. We're getting 97 to 99 of at night versus 80 to 84 in the industry standard. So our projects naturally look more vivid, brighter, and better looking. And the final thing is just the materials being used. We use premium grade materials. We test all of our products down in Danville, Virginia, and we make certain that you are getting the very best in products because we want systems to last. We put a lot into a great lighting design, and I want to come back 10, 20, 25 years later and be able to see how great these systems still look. So give us a call today. We're happy to show you not only our products, but also the most popular products that are being offered today and let you make the decision.